In this video, we are going to demonstrate each step to ensure a seamless experience. Aren't you excited about trying out the new Threads app from Instagram? Don't worry, the process of downloading, installing, and getting started with Threads is straightforward. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device, you'll have the Threads app up and running in no time. If you are an iPhone user, unlock your iPhone and locate the App Store icon on your home screen. Tap on the App Store icon to open it. If you are an Android user, unlock your Android device and find the Google Play Store icon on your home screen. Tap on the Google Play Store icon to open it. Once you're in the respective App Store, locate the search bar at the top of the screen. Type Threads in the search bar and hit Enter. Among the search results, you'll see both the Threads app and the Instagram app. Make sure to choose the Threads app associated with Instagram Inc. Look for the word Instagram under the name of the Threads app to confirm its authenticity. On the iPhone, tap the Get button. On Android, tap Install. If the app is already installed, you'll see an Open option. Allow the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, tap the Open option to launch the Threads app. To use Threads, you need an Instagram account first. If you're already signed in to your Instagram account on the Instagram app, Threads will automatically link to it. You might see a pop-up confirming the linkage. If you want to use a different Instagram account, tap Switch Accounts at the bottom of the screen and log in with your desired account. Wait for a moment as Threads sets up and links to your chosen Instagram account. You can choose to import your Instagram details. Click Import and then Next to proceed. Configure your privacy preferences, such as setting your profile to private. Tap Next to continue. Congratulations! Your Threads app is now linked to your Instagram account and ready to use. If you come across any confusion or have questions while using the Threads app, feel free to drop a comment below. I'll be happy to assist you. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon.